All Manipur Working Journalists Union Amwju and Editors Guild Manipur EGM strongly condemned the intimidation by armed miscreants on Imphal Times journalists. Also, Amwju's RTI cell member Condemn Dhanachandra. The incident happened last night around 8:45 at his residence at Naurimthong Laishram Lekai. Taking serious note of the intimidation, Amwju has taken several decisions in a meeting held at Cobru Conference Hall of Manipur Press Club today. In a press release issued by Amwju, the union has termed intimidation on journalists as unfortunate, adding that around 10 armed miscreants who came in a four-wheeler have intimidated Dhanachandra and his family members to be present somewhere in Imphal West area till 10 a.m. today. Amwju appealed to the government to take appropriate action against those involved in the incident. The release stated that Amwju and EGM will launch agitation if authority concerned fails to take action against involved persons within 5 days. Amwju has appealed to all to respect Amwju's code of conduct in local adjustment and not to repeat such incident in future. The union appealed to all to hold proper talk with the concerned editor of the media firm or the Amwju and EGM or any disagreement in the news, but to refrain from intimidation to journalists.